Hello guys, Devin Boundary Ford here today. Today is a special day. I have to show you something a lot of people are waiting for. It's our brand new 2022 Ford F-150 Lightning, the highly anticipated all-electric version of our popular pickup truck. In this video, I'll run through some of the incredible features it has to offer, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. Starting over at the front, you can see a solid look across the front grille, as well as a light bar spanning from one side to the other, giving it a futuristic look. The convenient thing about this is we no longer need an engine, so what we have is the frunk. The frunk gives us plenty of storage space, as well as a sealed and waterproof area, which means any items you put in, be valuable or not, will take up any space in your back seat. Alongside that, we have a convenient button to access our easy lights, so just up above, as well as a 4-source outlet and a USB for easy access and charging. Moving down the right side of the vehicle, you'll see our Lariat badging, which is under being our charging ports with both our slow port and our hyper port. Closing that back up, move alongside to our keypad, and just farther down the vehicle, you'll see our lovely Lightning badging with blue accents showing that we're eco-friendly. Looking at the back, the futuristic style of the headlight continues with the wraparound taillights. This model comes equipped with a power lift tailgate, allowing it to open and close with just a press of a button. This truck is also equipped with our Pro Power onboard generator, capable of putting out 9.6 kilowatts, making it a great truck for work or play. It also comes with our step into the box, as well as a built-in ruler for everyday use. In the front of the cab, you'll see our black and gray leather seating with adjustments located on the side, as well as our lumbar support. Over our steering column, we have our automatic headlamp settings, as well as a telescopic steering wheel with our cruise control options on the left and our median hands-free options on the right. As well as over our center console area, we have our cup holders, our center gear shift, along with our charging ports and our charging station, with a nice handy little feature being our gear shift drops down and our workstation opens up, with just above being our rear view mirror, along with our cabin lighting and a beautiful moonroof. And hopping into the back, you'll see our lovely bench seats with heated options, as well as plenty of legroom, lots of headspace, and more storage being just under the seats. If you enjoyed the video or found it to be helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to see more of what we have in store. If you are interested in what you just saw, then please stop by and have a chat with one of our lovely sales representatives, and we hope to see you in the future.